Bone and muscle injuries. The bones in our body are connected with each other. It is strong and hard, but they sometimes get injured due to a bad fall or accidents. Accidents can happen at home, in school, or in other places. Here are some common bone and muscle injuries. First is the fracture. A fracture is a break in the bone. There are two types of bone fractures. A closed fracture is a broken bone whose ends do not pierce the skin. The other kind of fracture is the open fracture. It shows a broken bone whose ends puncture the skin. Fractures commonly happen because of car accidents, fall, or sports injuries. Second is the dislocation. A dislocation occurs when a bone in the joint is displaced or has moved out of its proper position. Frequently, a loose piece of bone remains jammed between the ends of the dislocated bones and may have to be removed surgically before the dislocation can be reduced. Third is the sprain. It is an injury to a ligament caused by excessive stretching. A sprained ligament brings so much pain and swelling in the injured part. When a sprain happens, one or more ligaments is stretched or torn. A sprain is an injury to a muscle or tendon. Next is the cramp. It is a strong muscle contraction that can be very painful, lasting for a few minutes, but massaging the muscle can often relieve the pain. A muscle cramp is a sudden and involuntary contraction of one or more of your muscles. If you ever been awakened in the night or stopped in your tracks, you know that muscle cramp can cause severe pain. Next is the bruise. It is when the muscles becomes black or blue due to blood clot, when you get hit, or when you bump into something hard. Here are the guide questions. Number 1. What are the common muscle injuries? Next is, what are the common bone injuries? And number 3. What particular body parts can be injured when you play games or sports? And number 4. What other activities are prone to injuries? And number 5, what will you do if you get injured while playing? And for number 6, how will you protect your bones and muscles from injuries? Next is, what are the common bone diseases?